How can I fill out a Python string with spaces? I want to fill out a string with spaces. I know that the following works for zeros. But what should I do when I want this? Of course I can measure string length and do str plus leftover, but I'd like the shortest way.
You can do this with str.loosedWidth, filchar. Return the string left justified in a string of length width. Padding is done using the specified filchar, default is a space. The original string is returned if width is less than lens.
For a flexible method that works even when formatting complicated string, you probably should use the string formatting mini language. Using either fstrings or the str.format method.
The string format method lets you do some fun stuff with nested keyword arguments. The simplest case. If you want to pass in 16 as a variable. If you want to pass in variables for the whole kit and caboodle. Which results in, you guessed it. And for all these, you can use Python 3.6 plus fstrings. And of course the result.
You can try this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.